Hey everyone, welcome to my website www.JamieandLace.com. Are you looking for ways to improve your health or get guidance for personal growth? Or are you looking for easy ways to earn extra income online? Well, you've come to the right place. Jamie and Lace offers a variety of offers and giveaways for all your needs. From health offers to self-help and guidance for self-improvements, we've got you covered. If you're interested in learning easy ways to earn online, we have a unique solution for you. The new marketing AI tool software can almost completely run your business for you. With this AI software tool, you can automate your business tasks, track your progress, and analyze your data to make informed decisions. You can even customize and integrate the software easily into your business to fit your needs and preferences. But that's not all. We also offer free ebook giveaways and varieties offers to help you start your online learning. From free courses to exclusive contents. We always add new offers to our website more often, so don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you're looking for something specific, we'll be more than happy to find it for you as soon as possible. So, head on over to www.JamieandLace.com and start exploring all our amazing offers today. Your health, personal growth, and financial success are just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching. See you there.